Wait, the stock just dropped. Buy? No, sell. I'm too slow.
Manual trading is becoming extinct, Danny. Today, Wall Street is run by algorithmic trading. It handles high-frequency trading, executing millions of orders in milliseconds. It thrives on market volatility because it is completely emotionless.
But who builds these machines? Are they just normal programmers?
Not exactly. Meet the quants, short for quantitative analysts. They are math and physics geniuses who write the algorithms.
And how do they know the robot won't lose all the money?
They use backtesting. They test the AI on decades of historical data before letting it trade live. Once it's live, it looks for arbitrage, tiny price differences across different markets to make instant, risk-free profits.
This sounds perfect. So there is no risk?
Wrong. Machines can make catastrophic mistakes. Because they trade so fast, they provide liquidity to the market. But if one algorithm glitches, it triggers others. This causes a flash crash, where the market loses billions of dollars in just a few minutes before humans can even press the stop button.
If the institutional investors have supercomputers, how can retail investors like us survive?
By not playing their game. You can't beat a robot in a millisecond race. Retail investors win through long-term investing, patience, and focusing on real assets, not millisecond charts.
Master the technology. Don't let it master you. To keep upgrading your financial vocabulary,
Subscribe to English for Econ.
subscribe to English for Econ.